issue is, as you can see, that there is the issue of commercial cylinders all over the country. You have the Ram Mandir yesterday, the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, which there was so much fanfare about. The Sita Rasoi in the Ram Mandir has stopped doing prasad and bhojan. You have the Delhi High Court canteen which is stopped. All roadside vendors, big restaurants have come down to paring down their menu to serving only 2 or 3 main courses or no main courses. Now this is surely something that is not escaping the notice of the government. Yet the Prime Minister is absent. The Prime Minister is busy electioneering somewhere. The Petroleum Minister is hiding away from the Epstein files, and when he does come, he comes to lie to say that there are 75 days worth of supplies. They told us this 10 days ago. Now they are saying there's barely 25 days, and they are invoking the Essential Commodities Act. Old people, pensioners are worried all over the country. People are standing in queue to book manual cylinders because cylinders are not being available, and this is creating a complete panic situation. And Iran is threatening that the price of oil will go to $200 a barrel. And we are not hearing anything from the government that is telling us otherwise. So this is a situation in which that the Prime Minister should be answerable to the Parliament, it should be answerable to the people of India. And we have heard nothing from them except threats. All we get from them are threats. If you do this, if you do this, if you do this, then we'll do this. We don't want threats, we want assurances from the Prime Minister.